Good morning, guys. So I'm going to be starting off this morning by taking everything off of my bed. I'm going to be taking the pillows off of the bed, my comforter off of the bed. I'm going to be taking my sheets, everything off the bed, because we are going to be washing all of this stuff because it's due for a wash, okay? So after I do all that, I'm going to be going into the bathroom to do all my self-care activities. And then I just want you guys to enjoy this little long intro. And then I will talk to y'all soon. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So it is 7:19. If it'll focus. Oh well, it's 7:20 now, but I think my clothes are pretty much done. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm going to do a productive day in the life. Today is Saturday. It's actually June 24th. I'm almost done with my biology class. I have I'll say it's about 3.5 more days, because I have the 26th, 27th, the 29th, and then I have to finish up everything for the 25th, which is basically tomorrow, and all I need to do for tomorrow is a lab, but we're going to do that today. So today is going to consist of me making my bed. As when I woke up this morning, I put everything in the laundry, and then I went ahead and took my shower and everything. I do have lashes on today. I was debating doing my eyebrows, because I actually do not like this combo. If I have lashes on, I need my eyebrows to be done. Even if they wax, I just need them to be straight. I need them to be done, because I don't have straight eyebrows. My eyebrows are crooked, and my hairs on my eyebrows are all over the place. So I was gonna do my eyebrows, but I'm just like, I already know that I'm gonna want to get in the bed at some point and take a nap today, because I plan on being like that productive. But yeah, so I'm gonna go get my clothes here in a minute because they should be almost done, but they're about to go in the dryer. I'm finna get some food. I think I'm gonna eat at 8 o'clock. I'm gonna go for a walk just around the neighborhood and bring you guys with me. And then when we get back from my walk, I'm gonna make my bed and we're gonna clean up, and then I'm gonna probably get started on my lab. So right now I'm finna go ahead and get something to eat, but also while I'm eating, I'm gonna be watching YouTube and preparing for my lab, to do my lab. I do need to read my Bible today. I read a little bit last night, but I know that's gonna happen as well. And like I said, it is 7:24. Like, we gonna get so much done today. But let's go get some food. Watch McKenna Walker and basically start on my lab. So I said 8, but if y'all know me, I'm a very slow eater and I will not be done in no 10 minutes. So we're just gonna go on my walk after I eat. Like, as soon as I'm done eating, we're gonna go walk it off.
Video that she's like, I do like, I hate my life. That's what I look. Reset, because I just brought it. I don't even like that.
The enzyme called RNA polymerase, using the mRNA, RNA, and translate it into a look at the nucleotides in DNA and see described into RNA. We add in RNA though, since they're in what's complementary. Now, how do we know triplets of nucleotides? How do we read the mRNA codon into this square and G brings me our genetic code. A is has it. So for instance, there's 4 letter abbreviations. In the lab today, and we're going to mutate the DNA and see manipulate. And the first one is CGU, and that codes for. Once you're done with that, in experiment 3 DNA extraction, I have a.
Anyways, I think I know what I'm gonna do with my.
So it is 8:05, so I'm gonna stick to what I was saying, and I just wanted to go for a walk. I want to do a solo day, so I really want to do that like so bad, because I be seeing people do it and I'm just like, that is so cute. I was like, why is it raining? Boy, whole time it's just day sprinklers. Chill out, it's just sprinklers. I'm gonna come back to you guys when I make it back to the house. So I finished my walk and I went back in the house and I finished my breakfast. I literally had like a little tiny piece of toast left and did some eggs, and now I'm just gonna let my car run because I haven't been in it for a minute. So now I'm fixing to go get it washed. I don't even know why I'm getting it washed. I ain't even finna drive nowhere, but I want it to be productive today, so I'm gonna get it washed because I don't know what church I'm gonna go to tomorrow. I want to go to Trademark, but it's like, you know how you feel like you owe loyalty to your family and stuff like that, so it makes me want to go to my family church. But I really want to go to Trademark, which I feel like that's probably what's gonna end up happening, because I've been asking God to get me out of my comfort zone, and to be out of my comfort zone I have to do stuff that I've never done before. But I might end up going to Trademark tomorrow. We'll see how everything plays out and everything, because it's people up there that I want to go see before I, like, you know, to kind of catch up before I move or stuff like that. So let me map, because I don't even know where I'm going. I need to put my car in neutral and stuff, right?
Put it in neutral, make sure your foot's off the brake, and you're good.
Okay.
All right, you have a good day.
Thank you. So since it's my first time we did the bronze, he's so, oh my god, my car is moving. Oh my god, he's so sweet and stuff, like. Nice. Okay, I will see y'all when I get to the house. So now I'm at the park, I'm chilling. My camera died. I would have recorded on my camera, but it died. I was gonna go back to the house, but I'm like, nobody's outside. It's peaceful, nature's nice. It still feels good, even though I'm finna leave in a minute because it's actually burning out here. But I'm just chilling because literally all we have to do left for the rest of the day is make my bed. I'm probably not gonna do too much cleaning, but like straightening up my room, I'll straighten it up. But yeah, we just gotta make my bed, straighten my room up. I don't have to complete the lab. It was just something that I wanted to do today because I wanted today to be very productive. But that car wash was actually nice. It cleaned my car, so. guys, so I have my first half of my full load in the washing machine, and I'm just gonna edit while that's in the washing machine, and by the time I'm done with this video, the clothes should be done, and then I'm gonna go put them in the dryer and then put the second batch in. All this while watching YouTube. I may do the lab, I may not do the lab. I just know I need to be productive today. I wasn't gonna rest properly because I didn't do everything that I need to do within the week, and because I didn't do everything I need to do within the week, here we are Saturday, because I do at least want to rest tomorrow, which I probably won't even rest tomorrow, so we'll see what happens. Guys, so I'm gonna eat now. It is a little over 12. It is 12:30, and I'm finna just eat my leftover Whataburger that I didn't eat last night. I might end up taking a nap after I eat. I feel like I've been very productive. I don't even know what I'm gonna watch. I've been watching McKenna Walker all day. I need to find some more YouTubers to watch. A lot of YouTubers been commenting on like TikTok videos, so I've just been picking through them and scanning like who I want to actually watch and stuff. Hi guys, so I actually did not get to eat my food like I wanted to because, long story short, I'm lactose intolerant. And I'm not really gonna say I'm lactose intolerant. I'm gonna just say I have to eat cheese, and like I don't drink milk. I hate milk, but I hate milk because of the texture. The patty melt is literally nothing but cheese, and my body is not. I realized I was lactose intolerant when I got to college. But I'm not gonna lie, cutting milk out and dairy products, I feel, because it doesn't digest properly. That's really it. It just doesn't digest properly. Because it doesn't digest properly, I can't eat it all the time because it don't digest properly. That don't mean I can't eat it. I just have to watch when I eat it, and when I eat it, I gotta clean my body out. Same thing with meat, especially if it comes from a fast food restaurant. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lab. I told myself if I got 100, God been speaking to me today. God been speaking to me today. But I said if I get 100 on this quiz, I'm going to do the lab. And so here we are. We're gonna do the lab. Thankfully, I'm gonna start on the lab because earlier, if I started on it tomorrow when it was due and it was about 66 and then I forgot, it would have been a big issue. But anyways, I'm really just rambling. I need to go water my plant again. My I just put that ethanol in the freezer because it's put in the freezer for an hour. So around 3:52, I'm going to go do that. But in the midst of me waiting, I'm gonna go water my plant, and then I'm gonna make sure that I figure out, I do the steps right on the lab. I may or may not take the quiz. Either way it go, y'all probably not gonna care because it won't get recorded whether I take it or I don't take it. Also, majority of this video was really just in the morning. I need to take these buns out my head, but I just put them in and I'm just like, I'm leaving them in. If you made it this far in this video, you deserve to see me with these buns like this because you made it this far in this video, so thank you. So now I'm just gonna wait. While I wait, like I said, I'm just gonna do that, and then I'm gonna chill in the bed. I might end up taking me like a 20-minute nap, but I'm not even sleepy. Like I'm not even tired. Like my eyes are low, and it's like I want to get my sleep schedule back on track, but it's like I have so much time that I need stuff to do, and that's why I keep working ahead on my work. Like the stuff that I'm doing today is not even due till tomorrow, and I don't mind doing like 1 or 2 things per day, but doing about 4 things in one day, it's not gonna cut it. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna water my plant, but I'm not gonna bring you guys with me to do that. I just want to go water them. And yeah. In that experiment. Anybody who is interested in seeing the DNA of a strawberry, here it is. There is the DNA of a strawberry. That is crazy. Well, that was DNA of a strawberry. Well, that was cool. We just did a lab on DNA extraction, and I had extracted DNA from a strawberry, so I can say that I've seen the DNA of a strawberry. Wow, that is interesting. Oh my gosh, I'm still confused. I'm probably still confused at like the long everything. It's just the fact, like, I like biology because of the labs, and like you see the different things. I don't really care how the stuff works. I just like looking at the stuff because it's crazy how like that came from that. Oh my gosh. But that is the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, because I actually enjoyed today. Not that I don't enjoy the other days, but I really enjoyed today. I was productive today. I did what I needed to do today, and wow, I am completely satisfied, and I hope you are after watching this video as well, because that was pretty cool. I ain't even gonna lie to you. But I do have 3 days left in my biology class. I am almost done. Almost got my biology credit. I am so happy. Oh my gosh, all of this in a month. Like, I was thinking, I was like, I should just take a class every month, which that's actually impossible. They only offer this in like summertime. But I was like, I should take a class once a month and then get my classes out the way like that. But don't do that, y'all. That's not the smartest idea. That's not the smartest idea. Actually, it really could be, but no. I say the school year is meant for the school year, the summer is meant for the summer. They know what they're doing. They set it up like they need to set it up. But yeah, so I'm going to basically chill in the bed for the rest of the day. It is 4:15. I am done for today, y'all. I'm done. I'm getting in bed. I'm gonna chill. Also, I wanted to let you guys know, so I'm going to be getting on TikTok. I'm saying it out loud so that I can make it happen. I'm gonna push through the discouragement and I'm going to get on TikTok. So yeah, make sure y'all follow my TikTok. I don't really have any other social medias, just YouTube and TikTok, because why? I don't care for any other social media. So TikTok and YouTube is where it's at right now, and that is where I'm at. So make sure y'all go and check out my TikTok. I will leave it on the screen. I don't know where I put it, but it's gonna be somewhere on the screen. I'm also get into the habit of putting it in the description box down below, and we're gonna be on TikTok. We're gonna be on TikTok. At first, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. At first, I did not want to get on TikTok. I did not want to get on TikTok at all because I kept trying to give Instagram the benefit of the doubt. But honestly, I realized we're just gonna do TikTok, because at the end of the day, people, it's like a first impression kind of thing. They see your video, they like it, they're gonna look at your profile, they're gonna follow you, they're gonna do all this other stuff. They look at your video, they don't like it, they're gonna scroll past it. The thing is, they're not even gonna know that the next video that they had scrolled past is you. So in the long run, it's really a win-win situation. But also TikTok, they actually post like the content that they put out there. So I don't know, I'm gonna get on there, y'all. I'm gonna do what I need to do when I'm gonna get on there, okay? But somebody find me a PR team for real, because if I can find a PR team and we could just do this 24/7, like, baby, what? Yes, I got you. But yes, I thank you guys so much for watching. Those are all the updates I have for you guys. Remember to stay unique in Christ. Read your Bible and pray, because girl, I need to read my Bible and I need to pray. I'm excited. I'm just so excited. And I hope to catch you, yes, you, in the next video.